Suppose there is a number 278, right?
Okay.
278. And we have to divide this number with 29. How we are going to divide? Should I divide in 29 or into 278?
278.
How many times? We will have to check.
8 times.
Maybe 9 times. So what you are doing, actually what you are doing here in your mind, you are doing it with 30 and then you are multiplying with 8, so you get 240. So you are assuming that maybe this will be going to divide. But if you are going to multiply this 30 with 9, you get 270. This is still lower than this value. So I'm going to take not, if you are going to divide, in short, what I'm telling you, as you said, you are going to multiply with 8. So 9 8 ja 72, 8 2 ja 16 plus 7, 23. The answer is 230. But this is not nearer from 278. So I have to check 29 with 9 as well. 9 9 ja 1, carry over 8. 9 9 ja 81, carry over 8. 9 2 ja 18, 18 plus 8, 26. Now look at this. Which one is easy? Which one is the correct number? This one or this one?
9. 29.
What is the number?
261.
Now 8 minus 1?
7.
7 minus 6?
1. 0.
Cancel. Now we are going to divide 29 how many times?
6 times.
Let's check. 9 6 ja 54.
4.
6 2 ja 12. 12 plus 5, 70. This is correct. 2 is the reminder. 96 is the now. You may be wondering why I'm doing this step-by-step division. I'm doing it because I wanted to show you that taking a quotient in this method is very hard. You are just guessing the numbers. You just guess that it may be 8 times, it may be 9 times, and the guess is not right. In that case, you have to do the multiplication again, right? And this number is only having a 2 digit. If the number is 3 digit, then it will become a more hard. If the divisor is 3 digit, if the divisor is 4 digit, number will become a very hard. So how we are going to deal with it? So for that reason, Vedic maths is going to deal with the divisor with a different kind of structure. Okay, I'm going to start with a very small examples, and accordingly you will going to learn big numbers as like that. But first, start with 308 divided by 50. 308 divided by 50. Just look at 3 0. What we are going to do in regular math, we will do like right, but in Vedic maths, we will make this number in this form. 8 will be outside of this vertical line. Always the last digit will be out. Now, next, this 51 will going to write down here like this. This 1 is called as flag. This 5 is called as divisor. This is where you got quotient, and there you got remainder. Write it down. If you understand this format, you can do it very easily. Any division. So understanding the format is very important. Now, if there is any number like 54 is the number instead of this 51, then 5 will be here and 4 is the flag. Always the second digit or the last digit will be the always. Now, we are going to divide with 5 to 3. Can you divide 3 with 5? No. We have to take 30. Tell me 5 6 ja
6.
Ja 30. Right?
Yeah.
Whatever the remainder we are getting here, we are not going to write down. We are going to write down in the sides of this 8. So 0 will be here. Okay, not here. If this is a 1, then we are going to write down 1 here. So this will become a 18 actually. So I'm not getting anything. I'm writing 0. Now, what is the next step? The next step is you have already done the multiplication with 5, with 6, and you got 30, you subtracted, you got 0. Now, next step is we're going to divide this quotient with our flag. We are not doing anything with flag. So now this is the time to do it. 1 with 6. What is 1 into 6?
6.
Subtract that 6 from here. What is the number you got?
2.
2. So 2 is the remainder and 6 is the quotient. Okay, understood? Always whatever the quotient you got it, we're going to multiply with your flag and we're going to divide. And we're going to subtract. This is the continuous. Now write down everything. Let's take next example. 234 divided by 54. 234 divided by 54. Again, 234, 23 is there, 4 is outside, and this 54 will be written down 5 and 4. Any confusion in this step? Now, This 23 will divided by 5. Tell me how many times?
4 times.
4 times. 5 4 ja?
20.
23 minus 20 is what?
3.
This is the 3. Earlier what we did? We written down 0 here. Now the remaining is I'm writing here. So this will become 34. Now what is the next step? I told you have to multiply this quotient
4
with
times
your
4.
flag. Tell me 4 into 4.
16.
So 34 minus 16 is what?
18.
18 is a remainder. So this is remainder. This is quotient. Now write down this second question as well. And this is the steps. This is also you can write down. Now, I discussed only a smaller problems. Now we are going to discuss the numbers line. So it will give you more clarity over the concept. The process is same, but if the number will bigger, the process repeats. The number is 92054. I'm writing the same number 92054. Now, last number will be outside, right? As usual. Next. Now, what we are going to start? Tell me. Start with
6.
okay. How many times?
6 times 9. 6 times
6
9
into
is
1. Why?
minus
You can divide in 9. What is the remainder?
3. 3.
Don't want to study? 3. Now next, this one will going to multiply with 3. Tell me.
3. 3.
Subtract. 32 minus 3, that is
29.
now. So we subtracted 1 into 3. Earlier we don't have any carryover, so we just divide 9. Or how many times? 1 time. So we get 9 into 6 into 1 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. So this will become a 32. And 32 will going to subtracted 1 into 3. This 3 and this 1. So we got 3. So 32 minus 3 is 29. Now we have to divide with 6. That process is now we're going to start. So now divide how many times? 6 4 ja?
6.
24.
24.
6 5 ja?
30.
Can we divide with 30? No.
Mm.
So only 24. 6 4 ja 24. Whatever the carry? Carry is what?
The carry is 5.
So now this will become 50. Next step is what?
6. 4 threes are 12. 12 minus 50 for 38.
Now, how many times? Divide with 6.
6 times
We did
6.
the same thing here as well. Divided with this 1
Six
into 3 and then divide.
6 times 6
Six
is
times.
36.
Okay. What is the carry?
Uh,
2.
yes, 2.
Now, 6 3 ja?
6 threes are 18.
25 minus 18. 7. Yes.
Yes.
And 7 will divided by
6.
6. How many times?
1.
6 1 ja 6. What is the carryover?
1.
Okay. Now, 1 with
3.
what is the answer? 14 minus 3.
11.
So this 11 I'm writing here, and you don't have to divide with 6. Actually, this 11 will be going to write down in the last directly. Whatever you got, just divide it. So this is called as remainder, and this is called as quotient. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Write down. Write down the complete process. Take this example: 1992 divided by 62. Here you can see that 1990, and this 2 is separated out like earlier question, and this 62 will going to write down like this. 6 is the divisor and 2 is the flag. Okay. Now,
Okay.
can you divide 1 with 6? No.
No.
So we are going to take 19. How many times 19 will divisible with 3?
3.
What is the remainder? If you are going to write down 19 minus 18, 1. So this will become 19.
Then 1
Now,
times
next.
2.
No, 3 with 2.
3 with 2.
6.
6.
I'm writing here. So
3 with 2.
here
6.
1990 and 2 is there. 2 is. You can understand it better. So 3 times 18, carry over 1, write down 19 minus 6, that is 13. How many
13.
times?
Uh,
You will going to divide 2 times
2.
12, carry over 1. Now this is 10. 10 will going to divide with 2 2 ja, subtract. 10 minus 4. How many times? 1. 0 is the carryover. 1 into 2 is 2. Minus 2, 321 and 0. So remainder is 0 and quotient is 320. So this is the method of division. Okay. And the same division I did it here in multiple steps. We are doing the same thing. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Same thing. Look at this. 19, 3, 1, carry 19. Now, here you can see that 2 times. 6 to ja 18. So carry over 10. Look at this. We got the 10. Here we also get 10. Now 10 will divide it next step. 1 time 1. So we have a 0 carry over 0. So this will going to divide 0. This is the 3 2 1. So instead of doing all these multiple steps, I did it in a single step, and that is more clear.
Okay, sir.